Well, we're going to fire up the 81 here. Time to go to work. Well, it's minus 26 on my house thermometer that's out of the sun. But this one here, after opening up the shop door and the sun's beating down on it, it's warming it up considerably. As you can see, it's slowly climbing warmer. And last night it was minus 36, I think. Yeah. But in the shop it usually doesn't get, it usually stays at least 5 degrees warmer in a shop. I don't know why, there's absolutely no insulation, but somehow manages to do it. And I did adjust that thermometer there to the same as the one at the house, so anyways, hopefully my battery holds up. It's not a very good battery. 2 little pumps. I don't want to flood it, so then we'll be here all day. Maybe no more pumpage. Another try. One more try. When the starter kicks in. Okay, one more little pump. Yeah, look at that, I flooded it already. This thing has a very leaky power valve or something. Okay. 3/4 throttle. There we go. Oh, I gotta clean my friggin' lens again. Except that's the crappy thing. When it floods out and you gotta press the gas, then when it does start, it doesn't kick in high idle and then it won't idle. So this time, we're just gonna, just a wee bit till you feel that high idle cam kick in. Oh man, this car's persnickety. Oh my goodness. Gotta change my belts. They're tight. They just don't really have much grip left to them, I guess. I don't know. Plus this crappy battery. Yeah, I don't even begin to try to idle. Yeah, let's try the high idle out again here. There we go. There, she's golden now. High idle is engaged. See one of the many exhaust leaks there. This car, believe it or not, still has the original cats in it. Isn't that unbelievable? Yeah, you can imagine they're fairly clogged. The poor old car doesn't have very much power with them right now, but eventually I'm going to saw them out, and of course, being that it's a 351 Marquis, it's got true dual from the factory. So all I need to do is cut those cats out, put a couple of fancy mufflers on somewhere about here. Like I still got the tailpipe for the other side, so all I need is tailpipe from about here back on this side, and then I'll have true dual. We'll be rocking. Anyways, that's about it.